Steve Lowe here from Agent Team, and welcome to video 8 in our 10-part buyer series. Today we're going to talk about building reports, what to look for and how to make sense of them when you're buying a property in Canberra. In the ACT, sellers are required to provide what's called an upfront building report as part of the contract. This report is designed to benefit you, the buyer, so you know exactly what you're purchasing before you commit. The report usually comes in 4 parts. Part A is the building report, Part B, the compliance report, Part C is the energy rating, and Part D is the pest inspection report. So let's break down each one. The building report identifies any physical issues with the property. It is a visible inspection. They can't see behind walls, of course. They're looking for things like cracked tiles, water stains, or structural problems. Keep in mind, most homes will have minor defects, especially older ones, and that's completely normal. What you're really looking for are major defects that could be costly to fix. Things like leaking bathrooms, serious structural movement, or termite damage. The compliance report checks if any structures on the block, such as decks or pergolas or extensions, have been approved by government. In Canberra, unapproved structures are quite common, and most of the time they're not a major issue. But one thing to be wary of is unapproved fireplaces. This could be an insurance risk, and it's something you should always discuss with your insurance broker. Disclosure is key. Next, you'll see an energy rating, which scores the home out of 5 stars based on its energy efficiency. Older homes tend to score low, but don't be too alarmed. Ratings can be improved with simple upgrades like curtains and pelmets and better insulation. Finally, the pest report will flag any signs of damage from termites or other timber pests. Termite and borer activity is more common than you might think, so this part of the report is well worth reviewing closely. If there's anything in the report you're unsure about, don't hesitate to reach out to the inspector. Most are more than happy to discuss the findings with you directly. You don't need to organise your own report unless you're looking for a second opinion or have concerns about something specific in the original documents. And just so you know, the cost of the building report is passed on to you at settlement because that report becomes yours to rely upon. In our next video, we'll cover how to negotiate with agents and how to stay in control during the process. See you then.